for the very first time on Wish. Well, Ali I did, I have some experience with, but Wish I never had. My husband and son do sometimes on Wish ordering, but I never do because I don't like to pay for the shipping, and Ali is mostly free, but I really wanted to try it out. I get a few questions on if I want to try it, so I really want it. So I get the app on my phone and I ordered some things that I am curious about how they are and how they work. So oh my gosh, so yeah, let's dig in. So let's start opening all this. I am a person that really have no patience at all. When I get a package, I really can't help myself opening right away. So each day when I get delivered each of these packages, one day at a time, one day 5 packages at a time. It's really hard for me to save all these in a box and keep them out of my sight, or the way I really want to unpack them. But anyway, so let's open the first one. Okay, this feels like ooh, lace. Hell yeah. Lace. I always love lace. So, oh, that's nice. Oh, and it's elastic too. Ooh, nice. So nice how you can use this around a spine for a book. That's awesome. Wow. Let's have a look on the white one too. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Ooh, looks like the white is, oh no, it's even. It's even. I thought the white one was, wow, this is awesome. I like this. Very nice quality. How much was this? Let me see. Quick reviewing. How much was the lace? I have a nice, oh, here it is. Here it is. €1 each. Oh my gosh, that's cheap. That is cheap. So I choose a white one and a black one. The only thing is, if you pay €1 for this, then you of course pay shipping for each one. As you can see, I get 2 in one package, but you have to pay 2 times shipping. Well, but I really like it. Wow, it's amazing. Then it's still next thing. I hope this is not a nail thing, because I wanted to make a art supply. Oh, ooh, this is, I have to look it up for just one sec. This is a bottle pigment epoxy UV resin DIY handmade art craft coloring. Okay, so actually what you can do, UV resin, I think you can color your some resin. I don't have used any of resin, but I just wanted to check this piece, and it was free. If there is saying it's free, then you only pay for the shipping cost. So I really am curious what this is. But do you know where I bought this for? I thought maybe it will be amazing to use it for coloring your seam binding. So I think you have to shake it really well, because it was laying. You see, here is the shimmering on the bottom, but it's the pearl pigment. Shake well before using. Yeah guys, I was doing that. Okay, I put something on top? Let's see. Let's grab a little piece. Don't know if there is anything coming out, but oh, there is a little. I think I have to pinch it. And then, oh yeah, here we go. Oh my goodness. This is nice. Wow. Okay, where can I use it for? I guess I can use it for seam binding. Let's see. Do I have... Well, I think you can also use it for... Let's see, let's grab this little piece. Perhaps if I put just a little water on it. I'm just checking, guys. I really don't know if it's working, but if I think that, oh, it's really not working with water. I see no watering at all, but still I can paint it, but it's does not anything to do with water, and that it was actually what I was hoping for, but I think it's further than that a very nice color. I think I will going to use this for my next mixed media project, but it's no wateries, and of course I do know that, but I just like to try something out. So yeah, it's supposed to be for epoxy UV resin. Don't know where it's for, but we'll sort that out. Now this is definitely not a gel, so let's dig in. Oh nice! Let me tell you, these are little tiny envelopes, and they are really cute. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Let me look it up just real quick. They were just €1, and they are in 3 different colors: brown, white and black, and they are 20 in a pack. And oh my gosh, there is also a little cutout so you can close your envelope. Oh, that's fancy. I really like these, so you don't have to make them if they are only €1. Did I say it correctly? Yeah, €1 for 20. Wow, really like it. Cool. Why am I rubbing this paper? Well, I really have a thing, and my paper have to be very smooth. I don't like itchy paper. I get the shivers of that. But this paper is really good. So cool. Really, I'm going to use these. Yeah, and I ordered them just only in black. Oh, I wish I ordered them in brown and white too. But I can do that later. Okay, next thing is... Oh, cool. There are these roses. And I have these in wet and salmon and black. And I noticed that when I use these, I wish I had these in white too, just because. So let's check them out. I really like these. Wow, look at these. So they're very simple, but I really like to use these as little tuck spots. When you make a nice cover with lots of flowers, then sometimes you have empty spots, and I really love using these little things to fill those up. They are really cheap, cheaper than the rose, than the paper roses. And wow, I really like these. And these were also free, and I get 100 pieces, and they are also free. Well, and when it's free, you only have to pay for the shipping cost. Oh my gosh, and 100. Okay, so that is also a really good deal. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, next thing. Oh, I think I know what this is. And I have this one already, but I wanted to check out, yeah, a corner point. I wanted to check it out, how this will work. Well, it really looks very, very cheap in the package. This is really a horrible package, but just whip it off. We don't buy the package. It's just where it's put in. And this one, it was, we'll be checking, 2. This was €2. Well, and you have to pay for the shipping, of course. Well, here is a thing. And I think you can open this. But why is this not flipping? Oh, this is really fold really hard. So, but you have to fold it, otherwise you don't get to open this compartment where your cutting pieces come off. And then when you have opened it, you can really difficult closing down. Okay guys, I want to close it. Ah, here we go. You see, oh no, it's not closed at all, but okay, that's no big deal. I can leave this off. But anyway, that is just a lid from the compartment where you cut out your things. Now let's check how this cuts. It does not do anything. I really hate this. So I just whip it off. Let me see. Really guys, it does not, oh wait, you have to do it really, okay, you have to do it very, whoa, this is not my thing. Oh, you have to do it very, very, oh, you really have to push hard. And now that this is off limit, I think I can glue it back on, but I don't want to, otherwise I can't get it off. I think this is a really no-no. Just give me one last chance. Give it one last chance. Normally you can do this with your hand, but no, I really don't like this one. Nope. It does it, but it's really not. Nope. That's a no-no. Nope. In the no-no or corner. You get in the corner. Get away. Okay, next thing. Oh, it's like Santa Claus. It's like Christmas time to unpack all these goodies. Oh, these are really small. I thought these were a little bigger. These are closures for let's say boxes. So I pull out one. So if you see, then you have a second part, and then you put this on here, and then you have a closure. I really don't know if it works because it really do not fit very well, and if you want to make a closure, then it has to be at least a little opening, but this is really tight. Let's see if they all fit the same. Yep, and this also. Okay. I have buying these for on little boxes, little treasure boxes, and then you can close it. But okay, I like them. The quality is not that very bad, but I think the closure is not that very good. See, it has to be really closed to the edge. But I will try it out on a project, on a little box. I will try them out. What cost was these? These were, hello, did I miss them? These were, oh here they are free. So I only paid for the shipping 10 times. Okay, then it's only, I think, 1-2 euros. Okay, but not a shame. I always can use these for my mixed media. That's not a big deal, but I thought they were a little bigger. But so they are in the not in the no section, but in the maybe section. Okay, let's get to the next one. Let's see, what's this? Oh, okay, my next tool, a mini stapler. And I always wanted one upstairs here in my craft room. I hope they put something in. Yeah, they are. Oh, these are really small. Ooh. Oh my gosh, I hope I can find the right size of these. Okay. Wow. Well, the look I like. It's really nice and small. The color I like it too. It's a little cream color, not white, but cream color. Now, test it out. Let's test it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are really small. Oh my gosh. I really hope I can find the right size. How big is this? It's 8 or 9 millimeters. Okay, that's a really nice shape. And where I actually have bought this from, let's assume that this is a tag. Let's assume that this is a tag, and sometimes I just really want to put some ribbon on it and then do this. On a tag, and then with good job. Okay, where I bought it from, it works. I really like this, and I really like the size. So I really have to look up the right size for. I like this. And how much was it? Oh, it was €1. Well, that is really a good deal. I really love it. Love it. Yeah, awesome. This is no charge at all. Really cool. Hope it lasts long. Okay, that is definitely a big yes.